Hi everybody, Kathy Tibbles here with WordPress Barista. I'm going through the website of April Lewis. Let me see, she's aprildlewis.com. And we're going to do a standard homepage review. So it looks like first she wants to get some email addresses. So it's really good. The call to action is clear. And it's definitely the first thing you see. Now, this home, about, and blog, it's a low number of choices. You don't usually need these extra links up here if you want people to click. Now, this, I'm not sure what ADL is. It took me a minute to figure out if I was supposed to be looking at ADL, like 2 A's. So let's just suggest it isn't clear to me. Okay, now let's go down and find out if we can tell what she does. So, above the fold, am I in the right place has to be answered right away within the first 3 seconds. I kind of don't feel like reading it, you know. Let me see. In the market for conversion-centered design. Okay, that's a lot of big words. In the market for conversion-centered design, funnel setup falling flat, email migration to ConvertKit beyond confusing, need quality opt-ins, PDFs, and graphics that get noticed in a good way. Oh my God, yes. Okay, so this is a really good target. It's really specific. You'll repel some people. That means it is specific to your audience. So I assume that's a good thing. I assume that's her audience. Except, I don't know if it's because it's the end of the day. In the market for conversion-centered design. Okay, so I understand. She makes designs, funnels. Okay, so I know what she does, but I'm wondering how many people would know what she does. I'm going to suggest rewrite these offerings. Okay, this is kind of insulting, but web copy should be written as if at a grade 3 level. Okay, at this point, I don't want to pick apart everything. The most important things are above the fold that it's clear. Clear to action is good. Then we go down and we see she has some offerings here, which is fantastic. She's just starting this, so she'll have 3. Everything is really, really nicely branded. I would say she's going for a feminine user. This is clear, feminine, obviously educated, because her words are like her vocabulary is kind of big. This is a really nice slider, and you can contact her. Let's put a title here so they know what they're doing. Cool, and she's got another contact. So there's tons of ways to get a hold of her, which is exactly what you want as a service provider. She does design, so I'm not going to touch on the design elements. I might also suggest, well, we'll let her do the font thing. The other thing I'm going to do is copy this, and let's do a test on Pingdom and see what kind of load time we're getting off of this site. Oh, that's really good. She's under 2 seconds. 4.2, 50 requests is one of the lowest I've ever seen. That is really, really good. All she needs is browser cache. So let's just make sure she's using a caching plugin. It kind of looks like she's not. And then maybe we'll be able to make some suggestions that would be helpful. Let's see. So in the head of the HTML, we're going to get geeky here for a second. No. And there's no SEO in there either. So from here, part of the report will also, let's recommend an SEO plugin and caching. Whoops. Time under 2 seconds, which is brilliant. Yeah, her scripts are down, her calls are down, megabytes are well within normal, so it's brilliant. Really, really good. And very pretty. I'm sure she'll be pleased with the responses, especially this. Let's get an incentive that she can really see her list take off. So I think that's it for Miss April Lewis. Visit her site. She looks like she offers help creating your funnels, convert kits, PDFs, all of that stuff. It's aprildlewis.com.